Hello, it's Ashley here from Paper&Twine. I've come on today with an unboxing from Craspire. I think they're in China, I'm not sure, but they approached me a little while ago and asked if I would like to review some of their products. And I have had a number of companies approach me and I've been quite choosy, but this one I did accept because I haven't ever used wax seals before, and I've seen other YouTubers use them and thought it's something that I would quite like to explore and add to my projects. So they very kindly gave me $40 to spend on their website, and I'm going to show you what I bought. So I ordered 4 separate items. Craspire do specialise in everything that is wax melt and wax seal related, and this is the first item. It's a set, so you get a tub, sorry for the rustling, of multicoloured wax beads. These happen to be star shaped and you can see the variety of colours there. We've got white, pink, yellow, you can see black peeking through there, red, various shades of green and blue. There's a coppery one there. Yeah, I quite like that coppery one. I've never ever done this, so yeah, we'll see how we get on. I think there's about 300 pieces in here, but I thought it would be good to get variety of colours to start with, just to see what I think. As part of that set, I've got the tea lights. I think there's 3 in there. Yes, there's 4 tea lights, and I've got 2 of these spoons. Now I am waiting for an order from another company. It's got lost in transit, and they approached me first, and I had ordered from them the little furnace. So I don't have a furnace, but I'm going to improvise and see if I can make my own. But what I gather is you put a tea light in the furnace, you light it, you choose your wax melts, and I think 2 or 3 is probably the right amount to put in the spoon. You put the spoon over the flame, melt and pour, and then you put your seal into the molten wax. So with that in mind, the other company I'm waiting for, I've got a stamp coming that's got a handle. These are just the stamps, they don't have the handles on, and I've got 2, and feeling the quality of these, I mean, as I say, I've never had these before, but they are so heavy, really heavy. And I've chosen 2 designs. I've got a little bunny rabbit there nestling in foliage. Bring that up for you to see, but really deep etching, so I should get a really nice imprint in the wax. Can't wait to have a play with these. I'm going to try, you probably can do it without the handle, but it probably would be better with the handle, because I think you need to sit it in the wax for a few seconds to let it set, and the handle, obviously, safety, you know, you're not putting your hand near hot melted wax. And then I thought this one would be lovely for my little sea themed albums, and this is a little fish in the foliage. So I can't wait to have a play with those, and I will be coming on to do a couple of videos to show you what I do with these. And I will leave a link to all of these products in the description box below, as well as a link to the Craspire website in case you haven't heard of them. We'll just pop those out of the way. And then the other thing that I got were 3 separate washi tapes. I'm looking at building up my washi tape collection, and everything has come very well packaged. Let's see if we can get into this. and these are quite wide. Just going to pause you while I get into these. So I've managed to get in. They're very well protected in this plastic wrapping, and I've gone for these extra wide washi tapes. There's 3. You get quite a lot on there. I'm just going to measure the width for you. So they're just under 4 inches, 3 7/8 of an inch, or that's 10 centimeters. So they're 10 centimeters, and they're gorgeous, gorgeous designs. Let me see if I can find the edge. That's the problem, isn't it? Starting. There it is. Ah, good. Yes. See, there's a little lip there. So I went for kind of vintagey, shabby chic, and then there's one that's a bit more kind of, to me, it reminded me of Tim Holtz. So I'm just lifting this, and we'll see what we've got. If I pull it this way. So you've got script, you've got butterflies, you've got flowers, and there's quite a long section before it repeats. Yeah, look at all this. So I mean, that could be an image on a card, and yeah, it's still going on. Oh, we've got some manuscript there. Wow. So this is a good 12 inches before it, in fact, it's not a regular repeat. Okay, that looks as if it is one repeat. That's amazing. But you could just cut out little bits of this and stick it on your projects. If you've got any ideas for what you'd like to see me make with these washi tapes, leave a comment down below. And what I like is that the butterflies are all in different orientations, and that's a lovely quality washi tape. Let's see if we can find the edge on this one. Just there we go. I made a pig's ear of finding edge of it, but it's really easy. So this is more kind of blues, greys, greeny grey, muted colours. You could use little bits of this in your journal pages, just cut out, you know, a little bit. You could use a strip, but I think because it's so wide, it gives you a lot of options as to what you can do with it. Oh, I haven't made a very good job of finding the edge of that. So again, we've got lots of script. We've got foliage. We've got postmarks, butterflies, lovely muted colours. Oh, look. And there is looks like a deer. Can you see that? And if I was to stick it on white, let's see what it looks like. I'll just stick that down. Haven't done that very straight. Let's get my scissors. But you can see the colours better on there. And it's got a nice stick to it without being uber sticky, if that makes sense. Oh, just notice that little flower. See the little flower there? There's lots going on in that tape. I really like it. Really, really like it. And I think I've got some ideas. But as I say, if you've got ideas of what you'd like to see me make with these washi tapes, let me know. So I'll be doing a video on what I do with the wax seals and the stamps. And I'll be doing a video on what I do with the washi tape. Lots coming up on this channel, guys. So I like this one because it's kind of little adverts out of magazines and newspapers. Ghost giggles, weird ghost giggles. I like that. Oh, trick or treating, TNT. Trick or treating, that'll be good for my what do you call it? Halloween piece. But look, again, you've got lots and lots of different images before it even begins to repeat. So yeah, that is about 12, not quite 12 inches before it begins to repeat. Love it, love it, love it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. I will link everything in the description box that I need to link. And there is also for you a $5 off a $40 spend. And I'll leave the code for that down below. So I'm looking forward to playing with these. Oh, exciting, exciting, exciting. I shall be back soon. Take care, everybody. Bye now.